Won't you be jealous? Will Alex get jealous when Beth meets her childhood friend? A boy? What happens if Beth goes on a trip with friends? Watch the video to see how it will play out. English speaking course.
Beth, do you like this cafe shop? The coffee here is very fragrant. I also like the scenery of this cafe shop.
Yes, Alex, I love it. The decoration of this restaurant is very trendy. Can you take a picture for me later?
Of course, you'll just drink it.
Yes, and then let's go shopping together. I want to buy something.
Sure. Oh my gosh, look who it is. Beth, long time no see.
Oh my god, Jack! It's been far too long. It's so nice to see you.
Look at you. You still look great. Can I sit for a bit?
Yes, of course. Come here.
How have you been? Who is he? Can you introduce me?
He's Alex, my boyfriend. And he's Jack. He's an old friend from childhood.
Hello, glad to see you. My name is Jack. I'm Beth's friend. Hi, nice to meet you. Beth, I'm sorry to know you already have a boyfriend. During the 4 years since graduation, I cannot stop thinking about you.
Hey, don't say that. A lot of girls like you. He's getting more and more handsome.
What's the point of being handsome when he already has a boyfriend? If you don't have a boyfriend, I will follow you to the end.
What are you saying?
Alex, hold on tight to Beth. If you let go of her, I'll take her away. Okay, I remember. When I meet you here, I'll tell you. Friends in our group are planning a trip to the island of Maui, Hawaii. Do you have free time? Come with us.
Oh, really? Who is going?
There are already 7 people. There's also Lucy and Alex. They said they hadn't seen you for a long time.
That's great. Yes, I've seen them once in a while. But I don't know if I can come or not. I'll contact you after I decide.
Okay, no problem. See you later. I have to go right now.
Okay, bye. Alex, can I go on a trip with my old friends? It's been a long time I didn't meet them.
Of course. You're going to go play with your friends. I totally agree.
Really? Thanks. I'll let them know. They will surely be happy.
Yes.
We're going to stay at Wailea Beach Resort, so don't worry, Alex.
Okay.
Won't you be jealous?
Of course. I won't be jealous. You're an adult already. I know it's your trick to make me jealous. I guess the resort name was also made up by you, right? So funny.
Beth, have you prepared enough yet? Yes, nothing much. I'm excited to go because it's been a long time I didn't meet old friends from childhood. Beth, that's strange. You hang out like this and Alex doesn't say anything? Yeah, I find it weird too. I thought he wouldn't agree, but he agreed immediately. He must have trusted me. Maybe. Anyway, have a good time and buy me a present. Okay. Alex, what's going on? Did you get the day off without going out with Beth?
Well, Beth is traveling with a group of old friends from her childhood.
Where?
She said that she would go to Maui Island, Hawaii, with a group of 9 people, including 5 boys and 4 girls.
Oh my god, and you let her go like that? Aren't you afraid of losing your girlfriend?
Oh, I know. This is her trick. She wanted to make me jealous when she met that man called Jack and made up a travel story, hotel name too. She wants me to be jealous because I rarely get jealous.
What if it's true?
No, I understand her. I'll tell you a story.
Okay.
When we started our relationship, she lied to me. She said she was going to study abroad because she wanted me to express my feelings to her more intensely. Because, I'm a person who rarely shows my feelings.
Oh, what happened after that?
I thought it was real and ran to the airport. And then I knew that she was just playing tricks. I don't know what she's going to do this time, but I'm sure she's joking.
She is interesting. Anyway, be careful. She's so pretty that a lot of people notice her.
Okay, I know. Hi, Beth. What are you doing now? I'm under your gate. Prepare your clothes and come down to go have dinner.
Hi, Alex. I'm Anna, Beth's roommate. Sorry, but this morning Beth went out for traveling with her friends. She forgot her phone at home. You don't know? She said that you agreed with her.
Hi, Anna. Please tell her that I knew her joke. So, don't try to trick me anymore. I'm waiting for her at the gate.
Oh no, it's true. I heard her talk about the trip with her friends last night, and this morning she brought her suitcase in a good mood.
Really? Is that true?
Yes, I lied to you for what?
Okay, thanks, Anna. Was she telling the truth? That's impossible. Let's see. She said what the resort name is. Wailea Beach Resort? Oh, God. Is it real? She told the truth. She's going with Jack?
Hello, this is Wailea Beach Resort. How can I help you?
Hi. Can you tell me if there's a group of 9 people from LA who booked a room at your resort?
Please wait for a few minutes. Ah, yes, we have.
Is this a group of 5 men and 4 women?
Yes, exactly.
Oh, dear. Is there anyone named Beth?
Yes, sir.
Can I talk to her? Connect me to her room, please. I have urgent business to talk to her about.
Sorry, but they went out from 6 p.m. till now, and they haven't come back yet. When they get back, I'll let Miss Beth know someone is looking for her. May I know your name?
Okay, thanks. Beth, are you telling the truth? Do you hang out with your friends? With that Jack? What will you do with them? You drive me crazy. Wait for me. I'm going to come there right now.
Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.